Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the blast loading over a composite panel which is made with epoxy glass as a top plate, the ceramic and the thermoplastic polyurethane here. And if I click on this and animation, you can see the results. And now let me check the whole model, RDB. This is the whole model. We use 1/4 of the model. And let me now check the damage. The damage which is happened for all parts. You can see that. Click on this and you can see the damage propagation in all parts. Let me to check this, and let me replace first the part name is epoxy glass. You can see this is the full failure, damage criterion, compression damage, tension damage for the fiber, see the tension damage, compression damage for the matrix, and tension damage also for the matrix. These are the outputs for the epoxy glass. This is the stress, and this is the convex load pressure load. Okay, now let me replace the part name is ceramic. Ceramic is a brittle material. You can see the deformation and failure of this. It is failed completely. Let me check the damage for it. The brittle failure, see that? Also ductile damage criterion, stress or anything else. Now let me replace the thermoplastic polyurethane here. The pressure, the damage, and this is the damage which happened in the thermoplastic polyurethane. So if you need this tutorial modeling epoxy glass, ceramic with damage behavior, polyurethane with damage behavior under the blast load, you can use this tutorial. And we explain all things in details, step by step, A to zeta, and you will learn everything from this simulation. So also we can request the stress force displacement diagram for the boundary zone, anything else. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, or search the title here in the search section of the website. Then click on the title or blue sign, then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, assembly, material, step interaction law, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. The file contains CAE, INP, English video, codes, and paper resolutions for the material, and the cost is 28 euros. We use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Also, we have the full package, contains around 430 tutorials about all things in Abaqus, simulation and modeling, step by step. You can see some titles here. These are not all the titles because we have many other tutorials, but these are the titles and you can read about them here, and you will be able to provide this full package with a small budget. If you need also this package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.